Hey, doctors, professionals, and friends. Let me start with a simple question. How many times have you searched online how to make money online, or how do I start a side hustle, or how do I become financially free while still managing my current profession? You might have wondered who will guide me, who will show me the exact steps how to make money online, or maybe you hesitated because of the scams that you have heard about. This video is designed to clear every doubt and give you a clarity about the questions that you have been searching for. Now imagine this. What if I told you that you could create an additional income stream, one that is flexible and one that you can do from the comfort of your home just by using your phone without compromising your current career? Sounds exciting, right? Stay with me till the end of this video and you will come to know how, as a doctor or a working professional, you can genuinely earn money online while still managing your current job. We spend countless hours on Netflix, but 30 minutes of this video presentation can change the entire direction of your life. Stay with me till the very end of this video and you will come to know the practical steps how you can create money online. If you are a working professional or a homemaker who wants to make 50,000 to 1 lakh rupee per month just by investing 2 to 3 hours, then every single minute of this presentation matters. Because if you miss a single part, then you might miss out on the key steps how to make this dream into a reality. Let's talk real. You're a doctor, sacrificing weekends, missing family dinners, working long hours, and still the income doesn't pay enough. Or you are a working professional, rushing between office deadlines and home responsibilities, only to feel drained at the end of the day. Or maybe you are a woman who took a career break because of maternity or maybe because of some family commitments, and now you are struggling to keep up with the technology's updated systems and expectations. Don't you wish for something that could give you an extra income and freedom without adding stress to your already packed schedule? Let me tell you why I am passionate about this. Hi, I am Dr. Preeti, a medical professional and a mother of 2 young adults. I have an experience of working in multiple hospitals, and today I am independently running and managing my own clinic along with my online work. Like many of you, I was giving everything to my profession, my patients, my duties, my home, my responsibilities, everything. But then life took an unexpected turn. A mishap couple of years ago left me bedridden, turning my world upside down. Those days were the toughest days for me. Financially dependent, emotionally shaken, physically weak. For someone like me who had always been strong and independent, staying on a bed with no control over my situation, it broke me. But you know what? It was also the turning point, because during those days, I realized that anything can happen in life. Your income, your job, your health, nothing is guaranteed. That's when I started looking for some online opportunities. Something that could give me flexibility, freedom, peace of mind, and something that I could do from the comfort of my home while I was recovering and while I was there for my family. And then I discovered iDigitalpreneur. First I thought it must be a gimmick, a fake thing, too good to be true. But then I researched, and the more I researched, the more I came to know that this is not a gimmick, that it is an edtech company which is registered in the government and which is teaching real digital skills to people, and people are using it daily to make money online. As a doctor, my only expertise was in medicine. I had no prior knowledge of the edtech industry. But soon I realized that with the right approach, you can easily learn, implement, and succeed very quickly over here. Now, I am already creating a second sustainable income along with my medical practice. So let me quickly explain about iDigitalpreneur. iDigitalpreneur is an edtech company which started in 2020 during the lockdown, and it is dedicated to empowering learners with in-demand skills that are highly relevant to today's evolving digital landscape. You must have heard about the online learning platforms like Byju's, Unacademy. Similarly, in iDigitalpreneur, you have courses which are thoughtfully designed by global experts and which help the learners to succeed in this digital era. What makes iDigitalpreneur powerful and simple? Let me tell you. iDigitalpreneur is one of the fastest growing edtech platform all across India with 1.5 lakh learners already on board. Here, you get an access which is for lifetime to 45 plus in-demand skills which are available in Hindi as well as in English. For every course, you get mentorship, guidance, and certificates as well. The reason why people are succeeding is simple because you get a community support, you get mentorship, you get guidance, you get offline events as well as online events. Plus, the packages are flexible and affordable so that you can start with your budget and then upgrade as you grow. iDigitalpreneur also has a lineup of creators which are globally experts such as Danish Malik, Anmol Puneta, Shikhar Gupta, and many more, so that you learn from the experts in the industry. So now let me tell you how you can start earning with iDigitalpreneur. There are 3 ways in which you can learn. One is affiliate marketing, second is by learning the courses, and third one is freelancing. The first one is affiliate marketing. Think of this. As a doctor, when we recommend a lab or a pharmacy, patients usually trust us and go there. Similarly, this is how it works with affiliate marketing. You recommend a product or a service online and you generate a commission. In Amazon, it is usually 5 to 10%. But with iDigitalpreneur, if someone enrolls using your specific link, you generate up to 70% commission, and that is huge. Now you must be thinking, how do I get buyers for this course? Do I have to approach my friends or relatives? No, you don't have to do anything like this. The company runs its ads and gives you potential buyers, so you already have an audience to engage with. There are simple steps which the company teaches you: how to communicate effectively, how to tell the benefits of the courses, and it is more probably likely that people buy from you. The second option is learning courses. At iDigitalpreneur, you get to learn 46 plus in-demand courses. Okay, these are content writing, copywriting, email marketing, Facebook ads, and much more. So you can learn these courses, and these courses not only add value to your CE but also help you build your own professional brand. The third one is freelancing. At freelancing, what you need to do is learn one or more skill, and as these skills are high in demand and highly paid, you can earn up to 50,000 to 1 lakh just by investing 2 to 3 hours of your day. For example, video editing. You can apply at the freelancing portal of the company itself and grab opportunities from there, or maybe you can also apply on the trusted websites recommended by the company such as Upwork, Fiverr, where many projects are waiting for freelancers to take up. For example, video editing. You know how much in demand this skill is become for today's world. You can edit videos and easily earn up to 30 to 40,000 per month. Now you must be thinking this must be very expensive. But here's the truth. We have spent in lakhs on our medical degrees, CMEs, conferences, and nothing gave us an immediate income. But here, the prices are affordable.
On our website, you get these courses at the shown MRP, but if you register using my special link, you will get 30% off on all these courses.
You get to choose from 5 packages. The Elite package for 3,540 and the number of courses here is 9. The Pro package for 6,999, the number of courses is 18. The Supreme package for 11,800. Here you get to learn 28 courses. The Premium package for 50,999, the number of courses is 32, and Premium Plus 21,999 and the courses is 46. But here's what makes iDigitalpreneur special. For me, it not only just gave me money, but it gave me a recognition when I knew that my identity was fading. It gave me a community when I felt alone. Probably you are thinking, why should I pay when there is so much of free content available online? But let me answer this. While there are thousands of YouTubers sharing content and teaching online, if learning skills and earning was so simple, then every second person would be earning in lakhs learning from YouTube. But that is not the reality. The difference with iDigitalpreneur is that when you enroll, you not only get the courses, but a contact support team, which is ready to answer your queries right from morning 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. On top of that, You get to be a part of the weekly live trainings, which happen 3 to 4 times a week, wherein you get to ask your doubts, clear all your queries, and you get an answer to your question in real time from the mentors so that you succeed. If you are clear about starting your online journey, and if you ask me on my guidance which package to start with, my personal opinion is Premium Plus, because that is the package with which I myself enrolled. Why? Why? Because it gives you an access to all the courses from basic to advanced. You get a lifetime access and you don't have to ever upgrade again. Also, if any course is launched by the company in future, you get automatically an access to that course as well. And here's the best part. With Premium Plus, it offers the highest commission rates, which means maximum earning for your efforts. That's why Premium Plus isn't just a choice, but it's the smartest investment in your growth. Today, I can proudly say that I am not just a doctor, but an entrepreneur with a second income source. I open only 15 personal mentorship slots every month, and they are absolutely free. If you respond within 24 hours of watching this presentation, then I can book a slot for you before they are gone. With this mentorship program, you get an access to an exclusive Q&A session where I personally clear all your doubts. If you book one of these slots, then you get it absolutely free. If not, these slots are gone. And then anyone who approaches me from outside, they are charged rupees 10,000 for the same mentorship. By now you must be wondering that I have understood the entire concept and now I want to start my journey. So how do I proceed? It is very simple. You just have to complete your registration through a unique link that I will be sharing with you. You just have to enter your name, your email and your mobile number and complete the payment process. After completing the payment process, you get an access to the courses using your own ID and your password. So you get started right away without any confusion. Dear colleagues, don't miss this opportunity thinking too much. Remember, opportunities don't wait. Take the first step, invest in your learning and start creating your freedom, which you have always dreamt of. Join me and let's build this journey together.